Another one of those YouTube we need to talk videos. Here we go. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Aaron here from the Real Estate Marketing Guys, as well as Revamped Real Estate, also known as Aaron from Break the Internet and the Snapchat Guy and all these different things, which I appreciate the patience of everyone on this channel that has been, going through this whole rebrand with us and figuring out, where exactly do we want to take the direction of this channel. And to spare all of the, behind the scenes details, this is mostly just an announcement video to say that we are creating a brand new channel. So if you are a real estate agent, broker, or team leader, and you've kind of followed us from other social media to this channel, I'm going to leave a link below this video to that's going to link to our brand new channel. It's going to be 100%. It's literally going to be this exact same channel, just on a different channel itself. And if you guys don't care about the details, definitely just go click that button and subscribe there. Click the notification bell so that you get notified when we go live with the videos. Talked to our video editor and a content planner earlier this morning, and we're going to completely overhaul that channel, making sure that we're staying extremely consistent there so that you guys continue to get the the awesome content that we're posting over here. So with all that being said, again, if you're staying this far into the video, hello, welcome to the longer explanation. But really, long story short, this YouTube channel, pretty much what we've done is, I had a channel before. It was at like 170,000 subscribers, of course, the one you're watching this video on. And, I did a complete rebrand, which in theory, right, I wanted to, still get a lot of the people that we still had on in this channel and help transition some of those into the real estate side. But what we really quickly realized is that we just started losing subscribers very quickly, which for obvious reasons, Snapchat and social media and a lot of what I was doing before was very different to, what I started to post on this YouTube channel. Not only was the engagement obviously really, really low, but, losing subscribers and things like that. Losing subscribers aside, really, as we're, going back to the drawing board and figuring out what is going to be the best plan of action for this YouTube channel while also still being able to, provide the same types of content, is because we have this many people that are subscribed to the channel, but like this amount of people, like probably I can't even make like a comparison that small of the amount of people that are watching and liking and actually engaging on the video, nowhere near what it should be for a channel that has as many subscribers as it does. Now, again, that's pretty much my fault for not, cultivating the audience and things like that. But that's the past. Again, not going to harp too much on that. But for those of you that have been subscribed, the ones that, were on this channel for Instagram content and YouTube content and, Snapchat content, even though Snapchat's basically dead now. If you guys enjoy me for me and you like, Aaron as the personality, definitely, as everyone else, subscribe, over to that other channel. But, spending a bunch of time on this channel specifically with the small amount of engagement that it has, all it's really telling YouTube is, well, this channel sucks and nobody likes this guy's videos because there's a bunch of people that are seeing it, but not actually watching the whole video, when we really believe that we have a really strong presence in the real estate space. And also we want to just help thousands and thousands and thousands of real estate agents, brokers, and teams that are going to be watching the videos, and they can't really get out to as many people as we want to if YouTube is looking at our channel as like, oh, there's a bunch of people that are here, but no one's actually watching, which is, of course, not what we want. So without making this video too long and drawn out, really just the plan moving forward is to create the new channel for, all the content we're going to be creating on the real estate side. This channel, at least for right now, it's going to kind of be in hiatus. We will probably still try to post the real estate content on here in hopes to, get in contact with more people to then bring into the other channel. Because again, we want to help a lot of people there. But in terms of the future for Break the Internet, what it used to be, of course, now the Real Estate Marketing Guys, I'm gonna wait and see what happens through this whole transition. So I just wanted to, again, make this video to explain kind of what's going on for, a lot of people that was just like a big transition. It was like, what the heck? Like now it's all this stuff, but I didn't subscribe for this. So, shout out for you guys for staying and being on the road with me. Again, if you watch this far and you're a real estate agent, broker, or team leader, or anybody that likes Aaron as a person, definitely subscribe to the new channel. Again, I'll leave a link down below this video, so go ahead and subscribe there. And yeah, guys, I really look forward to being able to put out more content, more consistent content for you guys 2 to 3 times a week. We have a full-time video editor that will be helping edit the videos on that side. So all I need to do is just sit here and talk to the camera, and he'll do his fancy stuff. Jeff, if you're watching, love you, man. He is going to be watching because he's editing this video. But just there's the update. I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be. If you aren't already subscribed to the other channel, click the subscribe button over there, as well as the notification bell to get notified every single time we upload upload a new video over on that channel. And also like this video just because, you know, I want to get this video out to all the people that are still subscribed to this channel. As a quick update, you know, love all you guys. Appreciate you for, you know, hanging out with me over the past really 5 years, which is actually crazy to think about. And yeah, so hope you guys are having a great day. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I'll be answering those throughout this video, and we'll see you on the next video. And we'll see you on the other side. Peace.